What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Now, we're all looking for the right sector to invest into, whether it's just investing into cryptocurrency as a currency, or it's investing into certain sectors within it and understanding the data side of it, understanding, the simple use side of it, or understanding the gaming side of it, the metaverse, the AI side. We're trying to find certain sectors that will be the biggest players. And all of us can agree that gaming will be that. Gaming will be one of the biggest sectors, if not the biggest sector within cryptocurrency, besides, in my opinion, XRP, as you see the standard flow of cash go through banks and, normal spending and all that stuff. However, gaming is going to be really, really big. So I'm trying to find different gaming plays, and I'm not invested into any besides Gala, right? I invested into Gala and actually got stuck in Coinbase because they decided to do a V2 and I wasn't aware that they wouldn't support that. And now my V1 is sitting in Coinbase and it's like $300 or $400 worth. So that's a pretty extensive amount. Not really stressing it. I hope that, we see, support in the future, but I don't know. But when it comes to gaming, there's a lot of plays that are already at the peak, like market cap, and I want to find different plays that are within maybe the middle ground, a lower tier, an even lower tier that's just really starting up, and find ones that are going to explode, because I honestly believe that the gaming space, no matter what you're investing into, as long as they have an established game and an established concept, you will see potential in where that's going to go, and launching on different exchanges, volume, everything you want to see within the gaming space. So we're going to take you through three plays. This is not going to be the only time we go through three different plays, ranging from, billion-dollar market cap down to, hundreds of millions down to $1 million market cap. We're just going to look at a couple of projects just to kind of get a range or a sense of what's out there and what could end up making a move. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out any of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to check out any of the links for any of the projects that I'm going to talk about in this video, I will provide those links down below as well. And don't forget to check out, my Margex account if you want to start, trading with leverage and all that stuff there. But let's start with a play, that I think, may be on the lower scale of things, maybe on the lower end of things, but definitely could create an impact, especially, in the gaming space. We're talking about Dega. Dega came across my desk a little bit ago, and I want to, again, explore a lot of different things, whether they're worth, $100,000 or worth $1 billion. I kind of want to stay away from the ones that are worth more than $1 billion, because it's not that they ran their course. It's just that I feel like I'm too late to make a move into those and expect something large out of the gains as an investor. But maybe as a gamer, you could find that. So Dega represents an ambitious ecosystem comprising competitive play-to-win games and a trailblazing NFT marketplace represented by the mighty Dega token. Dega is the foundation of a groundbreaking nation where degens rise above the ordinary. So if we go into kind of what they do have within their website, you're going to see Dega has unveiled two groundbreaking decentralized games, Degen Play, already live, and the upcoming Degen Galaxy, soon to be live on test mode. Both games, after a thrilling, fast-paced experience, or offer a thrilling, fast-paced experience that is both easy and enjoyable. Take the plunge and experience the excitement now. They also have a marketplace of NFTs, the NFT collection. Adventure now and discover a wealth of remarkable rewards. You have the GOAT Degen NFTs that boost a diverse range of 7 exclusive NFT membership levels, all offering B&B rewards. You do have the Dega token that we're going to be looking at over on CoinMarketCap in a couple of seconds. Introducing Dega, the BSC token representing the entire Dega ecosystem. The ecosystem was also built to constantly feed the token and make it a sustainable long-term hold. Now you can go in here and see Degen Play right now. You win every minute, or there is a win every minute. You can go in there and play now. And you also have the Degen Galaxy that's going to be coming soon. So I'm interested to see what that's going to be. And again, this is something that is a play that maybe you take a little bit of a risk on, and you see that it does pay out in the end because it is early stages. But again, you guys, take on that risk. You have to make sure that you're willing to take on that risk and whatever you're going to invest into that play. If you currently look at the price of it, it is up about 3% today and it's sitting at about 26% of a penny. You are seeing a $2.5 million market cap. Yes, it doesn't really have a lot of the volume. It doesn't really have many markets that it is available on. But obviously doing this and linking your wallet and doing all of that stuff, this is kind of that decentralized aspect to it. You really don't want to be more centralized. However, you need the volume to really flow through it in order to see the success for the coin. So eventually they will have more and more exchanges. This is early stages. And again, I wanted to look at things that are early stages, middle ground, and something that is kind of well established that is out there. And then we'll go into different positions as we have different videos here. But I wanted to kind of, cement my way or push my way into the gaming space there. So currently, I don't want to waste too much time on one of the plays, but currently you're seeing Dega with 1 billion coins. So you don't really have any dilution within it. So it's definitely something that has caught my attention a little bit here. But if we look at the chart and how things have moved, we've seen it up 11% over the last 7 days. So definitely see a little bit of interest over the last 7 days, but not as much as, we should see. If we start seeing, tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars, millions of dollars, then this really does pick up to another level. Now, definitely take some time to check out the link down below for Dega if you're interested, but they have a lot of options there. The next one that I wanted to get into was Beam. Now, Beam is something I did buy while it was at a little bit of a lower level, but it's currently at an $887 million market cap. So it definitely is on the higher side when it comes to, being well established or being there, something that's in the main conversation. But it's currently seeing a $32 million volume day. It's down 2%. If we look at the last 7 days, it is down as we saw the market kind of fall down. If we look at the last month, it's up 6%. And the last year, it's up 263%. So it has moved quite a bit. And that's why I'm saying that maybe, when you look at some of these, you're kind of late, where you could have invested down at these prices, down at these market caps, and probably seen it rise to the occasion, rise to a way higher level to where it's worth about, $1 billion. Let me actually go to market cap, where it's worth about $1 billion or over $1 billion, 1.25 billion, currently sitting at about 900 million. This does have majority of the supply that is introduced, and typically within the gaming space, you don't see that, where you see less supply that's introduced and you see more dilution that happens with it because it's like a play to earn game or something like that. But if we get into, this is offered in a lot of places, that's why you're seeing a lot of volume. But if we get into Beam, the Beam token serves as a native crypto asset for the Beam network, a gaming network empowered by the Merit Circle DAO. Beam is an ecosystem where gamers and developers come together to shape the future of the gaming industry. So if we look at Beam, we go into the website, we're going to see that you have the hub here where you can launch, and it's everything gaming in one hub. I went over to here. Let me actually go back, and it breaks down different games, right? A new era of gaming, and you receive 400 XP as soon as you do join. Now you have Ember Sword, you have Big Time, you have Trial Extreme, and I would imagine that for me, I'm very interested in Trial games. I don't know if you guys have ever played Trial, but Trial is basically where you have motorcycles. You have to get up on things, get through the whole entire thing by like jumping on and going around and like loop-de-loops. It's like a kind of a little bit of a complicated, I don't know what to call it, but I've seen it on X Factor, I think that's what it was, or America's Got Talent. I don't know if that's what it's called, but something like that. I've seen it on those where you basically jump up on these platforms and you have to like climb certain things with motorcycles, except this is getting through a certain thing. Anyways, a race. But either way, it's definitely more of a great game there, and I'm sure it has a lot of results. You can see the different pictures here, images here to what it is. The game overview, a dirt bike racing game developed by Gameplay Galaxy that challenges players with obstacle tracks and death-defying stunts, all designed with realistic physics. So there you go. That's a better way of explaining it rather than the way that I explained it, which was kind of horrible. But it does seem very interesting to play these games and also have it implemented in the world of cryptocurrency. So it's a big deal. Another one that I have here is going to be, and I hopefully I'm saying this right, Echelon Prime. I saw Prime when it was moving over on Coinbase. I got alerts saying that Prime was moving. So I wanted to make a move into it. I even put this on, I believe, my Patreon just as an option. And it was sitting at like $100 million market cap. Or even less. And now it's sitting at a $222 million market cap. So the only gripe that I have with this is, like I said, in the gaming space, typically you see less coins that are available and then more that's pushed out as time goes on. So 23% of the supply is out there, meaning that it could be diluted basically, 4 other times completely. And you'll see a way higher market cap than where it is. So, or see that market cap, but see a way lower price, right? So currently at a $222 million market cap with a 940 million fully diluted market cap. So it's definitely something you need to look into and go, okay, what's next? When are they going to dilute it? What's their schedule looking like? Or is it going to be something that's continually added, which is typically the case within the gaming space there. Now, again, this is a position. Let me go about it. So Prime is a native token to the Echelon Prime Foundation, a Web3 ecosystem advancing the next generation of gaming. Echelon creates and distributes tools to encourage innovation in and promote the growth of novel gaming models and economies. The first game to adopt and utilize Prime is Parallel, a sci-fi trading card game, and we can go into that, right? If we look at their website, we kind of go back and we go into their gaming. If we look into their website, you can see Parallel that does come up. I wanted to see, if you go all the way down to the bottom, you're going to see the games that they are associated with, right? And I even went into here to see what it's about. So be one of the first to play Parallel. So this is, again, a traded card game or a card game. Fast-paced, futuristic, fast-paced, fun. We can end up playing it. I haven't taken the time to play it yet. I am a gamer, but I just haven't been playing a ton of games. The last game that I just played, Guardians of the Galaxy, came out, and I played it for a second and then stopped playing it and then started to play Spider-Man 2, beat Spider-Man 2, and now I just beat Guardians of the Galaxy, which came out like a year or maybe even more. It came out a long time ago. Ended up beating that, and now I'm going to start playing a lot more games, especially, games that, involve cryptocurrency. So, yeah, I mean, definitely go ahead and check it out. I think it deserves a look, and it could be a player, could be something that's worth a decent amount in the end. But currently, like I said, we looked at different levels: $2 million market cap, $200 million market cap, $1 billion market cap. Like, we look at all these different types of things, and we're going to go into a lot more detail with different plays that are there, whether we're looking at just the top gaming coins in the market, but some kind of crossover, right? Where they're in like the data space, but then also in gaming, or they're in the metaverse space, but also in gaming. And I kind of see those as tied together. But there's definitely ones that cross between different things there. Or if something's a meme coin and develops a game, it's now in the gaming space, right? So guys, let me know what you think about these plays. Are you interested in any one of them? Are you invested in any one of them? Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.